5 to 5. Using the driving support systems. Warning. Vehicle is driven where the road diverges, merges, etc. Repair marks of asphalt, white, yellow lines, etc. are present due to road repair. There are shadows on the road that run parallel with or cover the white-yellow lines. The vehicle is driven in an area without white-yellow lines, such as in front of a toll gate or checkpoint, or at an intersection, etc. The white-yellow lines are cracked dots, the raised pavement marker, or stones are present. The white-yellow lines cannot be seen or are difficult to see due to sand, etc. The vehicle is driven on a road surface that is wet due to rain, puddles, etc. The traffic lines are yellow, which may be more difficult to recognize than lines that are white. The white-yellow lines cross over a curb, etc. The vehicle is driven on a bright surface, such as concrete. If the edge of the road is not clear or straight, the vehicle is driven on a surface that is bright due to reflected light, etc. The vehicle is driven in an area where the brightness changes suddenly, such as at the entrances and exits of tunnels, etc. 5 to 5. Using the driving support systems. 241. Warning. Light from the headlights of an oncoming vehicle, the sun, etc. enters the camera. The vehicle is driven on a slope. The vehicle is driven on a road which tilts left or right, or a winding road. The vehicle is driven on an unpaved or rough road. The traffic lane is excessively narrow or wide. The vehicle is extremely tilted due to carrying heavy luggage or having improper tire pressure. The distance to the preceding vehicle is extremely short. The vehicle is moving up and down a large amount due to road conditions during driving poor roads or road seams. When driving in a tunnel or at night with the headlights off, or when a headlight is dim due to its lens being dirty or being misaligned. The vehicle is struck by a crosswind. The vehicle has just changed lanes or crossed an intersection. Tires which differ by structure, manufacturer, brand or tread pattern are used. Snow tires, etc. are equipped. 242, 5 to 5. Using the driving support systems. Lane departure alert function. When the system determines that the vehicle might depart from its lane or course, a warning is displayed on the multi-information display, and a warning buzzer will sound to alert the driver. When the warning buzzer sounds, check the area around your vehicle and carefully operate the steering wheel to move the vehicle back to the center of the lane. Boundary between asphalt and the side of the road, such as grassed soil, or a curb. Steering assist function. When the system determines that the vehicle might depart from its lane or course, the system provides assistance as necessary by operating the steering wheel in small amounts for a short period of time to keep the vehicle in its lane. If the system detects that the steering wheel has not been operated for a fixed amount of time, or the steering wheel is not being firmly gripped, a warning is displayed on the multi-information display and the function is temporarily cancelled. Boundary between asphalt and the side of the road, such as grassed soil, or a curb. 5 to 5. Using the driving support systems. 243. Vehicle sway warning function. When the vehicle is swaying within a lane, the warning buzzer will sound and a message will be displayed on the multi-information display to alert the driver. Press the LDA switch to turn the LDA system on. The LDA indicator illuminates and a message is displayed on the multi-information display. Press the LDA switch again to turn the LDA system off. When the LDA system is turned on or off, operation of the LDA system continues in the same condition the next time the fuel cell system is started. 244, 5 to 5. Using the driving support systems. The illumination condition of the indicator informs the driver of the system operation status. Illuminated in green. LDA system is operating. Flashing in yellow. Lane departure alert function is operating. Steering control indicator and operation display of steering wheel operation support. When that steering wheel assistance of the steering assist function is operating, the indicator illuminates and the operation display on the multi-information display is turned on. Lane departure alert function display. Displayed when the multi-information display is switched to the driving assist system's display. Inside of displayed lines is white. Inside of displayed lines is black. Indicates that the system is recognizing white-yellow lines are a course. When the vehicle departs from its lane, the white line displayed on the side the vehicle departs from flashes orange. Indicates that the system is not able to recognize white-yellow lines are a course or is tempora. ILY cancelled. Boundary between asphalt and the side of the road, such as grassed soil, or curb. 5 to 5. Using the driving support systems 245. Operation conditions of each function. Lane departure alert function. This function operates when all of the following conditions are met. LDA is turned on. Vehicle speed is approximately 32 miles per hour km per hour or more. System recognizes white-yellow lane lines are a course. When a white opening square bracket yellow line or course is recognized on only one side, the system will operate only for the recognized side. Closing parenthesis. Width of traffic lane is approximately 9.8 feet m or more. Turn signal lever is not operated. Vehicle is not being driven around a sharp curve. No system malfunctions are detected. Boundary between asphalt and the side of the road, such as grassed soil, or curb. Steering assist function. This function operates when all of the following conditions are met in addition to the operation conditions for the lane departure alert function. Setting for LDA steering assist mode in on the multi-information display is set to on. 1 press or of the meter control switches and select. 2 press or of the meter control switches, select and press to select the on. Vehicle is not accelerated or decelerated by a fixed amount or more. Steering wheel is not operated with a steering force level suitable for changing lanes. ABS, VSC, track and PCS are not operating. Track or VSC is not turned off. Hands-off steering wheel warning is not displayed. Vehicle sway warning function. This function operates when all of the following conditions are met. Setting for lane sway warning status in on the multi-information display is set to on. 1 press or of the meter control switches and select. 2 press or of the meter control switches, select and press to select the on. Vehicle speed is approximately 32 miles per hour km per hour or more. Width of traffic lane is approximately 9.8 feet m or more. No system malfunctions are detected. 246, 5 to 5. Using the driving support systems. Temporary cancellation of functions. When operation conditions are no longer met, a function may be temporarily cancelled. However, when the operation conditions are met again, operation of the function is automatically restored. Steering assist function. Depending on the vehicle speed, lane departure situation, road conditions, etc. The driver may not feel the function is operating or the function may not operate at all. The steering control of the function is overridden by the driver's steering wheel operation. Do not attempt to test the operation of the steering assist function. Lane departure alert function. The warning buzzer may be difficult to hear due to external noise, audio playback, etc. If the edge of the course is not clear or straight, the lane departure alert function may not operate. Do not attempt to test the operation of the lane departure alert function. Boundary between asphalt and the side of the road, such as grassed soil, or curb. Hands-off steering wheel warning. In the following situations, a warning message urging the driver to hold the steering wheel and the symbols shown in the illustration are displayed on the multi-information display to warn the driver. The warning stops when the system determines that the driver holds the steering wheel. Always keep your hands on the steering wheel when using this system, regardless of warnings. When the system determines that the driver is driving without holding the steering wheel while the system is operating. If the driver continues to keep their hands off of the steering wheel, the buzzer sounds, the driver is warned and the function is temporarily cancelled. This warning also operates in the same way when the driver continuously operates the steering wheel only a small amount. When the system determines that the vehicle may not turn and instead depart from its lane while driving around a curve. Depending on the vehicle condition and road conditions, the warning may not operate. Also, if the system determines that the vehicle is driving around a curve, warnings will occur earlier than during straight-lane driving. 5 to 5. Using the driving support systems 247. When the system determines that the driver is driving without holding the steering wheel while the steering wheel assist or the steering assist function is operating. If the driver continues to keep their hands off of the steering wheel and the steering wheel assist is operating, the buzzer sounds and the driver is warned. Each time the buzzer sounds, the continuing time of the buzzer becomes longer. Vehicle sway warning function. When the system determines that the vehicle is swaying while the vehicle sway warning function is operating. A buzzer sounds and a warning message urging the driver to rest and the symbols shown in the illustration are simultaneously displayed on the multi-information display. Depending on the vehicle and road conditions, the warning may not operate. Warning message. If the following warning message is displayed on the multi-information display and the LDA indicator illuminates in yellow, follow the appropriate troubleshooting procedure. Also, if a different warning message is displayed, follow the instructions displayed on the screen. Lane departure alert malfunction. Visit your dealer. The system may not be operating properly. Have the vehicle inspected by your Toyota dealer. Lane departure alert unavailable. The system is temporarily cancelled due to a malfunction in a sensor other than the front camera. Turn the LDA system off, wait for a little while, and then turn the LDA system back on. Lane departure alert unavailable at current speed. The function cannot be used as the vehicle speed exceeds the LDA operating range. Drive slower. Lane departure alert unavailable below approximately 32 miles per hour. The LDA system cannot be used as the vehicle speed is less than approximately 32 miles per hour km per hour. Drive the vehicle at approximately 32 miles per hour km per hour or more. Customization. Function settings can be changed. Customizable features. 4. 248, 5 to 5. Using the driving support systems. The RSA system recognizes specific road signs using the front camera to provide information to the driver via the display. If the system judges that the vehicle is being driven over the speed limit, performing prohibited actions, etc. In relation to the recognized road signs, it alerts the driver using a warning display and warning buzzer. If equipped,